Hi guys, so recently I tried taking a personality test and also an IQ test. I just wanted to share the results with you kasi ang interesting din how it kind of reflects my actual personality. So let's start with the personality test. For openness to experience, I only got 23, meaning I'm not that experimental with new things. Mas comfortable ako sa familiar routines and stuff I already know. Next, conscientiousness is 48, so parang balance. Sometimes I'm very responsible and organized, but sometimes I can also be a bit chill and relaxed. My extraversion is 55, so sakto lang. I enjoy being with people but I also like my alone time. Then agreeableness is 39, which means I'm not always the type to just say yes to everything. I can actually stand my ground and not get easily influenced. And last, natural reaction is high at 67. That means I tend to react more emotionally or be sensitive in certain situations, but I think that also makes me more self-aware about my feelings. And so I also took an IQ test. Ito, ito yung result. And my score landed somewhere between 121 and 137. So above average siya. Honestly, I was kinda surprised but also happy with the result. It means I'm doing pretty good when it comes to logic and problem solving. But at the same time, I don't want to rely too much on just that number kasi IQ is just one side of being smart. What really matters is how you use it in real life, like your creativity, emotional intelligence, and how you deal with challenges. So for me, it's more of confidence boost than a level. So yun lang po.